It was good, y'all. We just made it to the first locker, man. We out this shit. You feel me? So, this locker is a 5x5. I'm gonna put up a picture so y'all can see exactly what it is. It's a 5x5. Me and my pops came to get it. This is one of the lockers. So listen, that's the game I gotta pay for. But when it comes to lockers, you have to eyeball it, okay? If it's not lucrative from the eyes, you see something in there that's lucrative, do not get that shit, okay? But you got the first location, man. That's our job, and your boy hold will, you hear me? But we got this shit. I'm gonna let y'all know how it go. I'm gonna film the whole process so you guys can know this is one of the best lucrative incomes out there. Definitely one of the top side hustles. But like I said, you gotta dedicate your time and your energy. That's all you're dedicating. Your time, your energy, and your effort, okay? Take a lot of time, energy, and effort, all right? And you gotta have some money. And make money, it take money to make money, okay? So if you don't have no money, and I don't know what the fuck you're doing. If you don't have no money access, I don't know what the hell you're doing. Man, I'm tired of this shit. I be working 2 jobs, boy. Like, niggas really be hustling. I don't know y'all see that. I really be hustling. Like, I don't give a fuck about what nobody talking about. If you want to make a way, you gonna make a way. You hear me? Where there's a will, there's a way. And we making a way, me and my pop. We coming through this motherfucker. But if y'all want an in-depth game, if y'all want to know how to purchase lockers, if y'all want to know in-depth information, let me know. I'm gonna make a course, or we could get one-on-one training. That's information we've acquired over the years of doing lockers. However, I will give you that information. I will give you that insight at a price. You know what I'm saying? Everything got a price tag. You feel me? So I will give you that information at a price. And with that being said, I'm gonna see y'all in the locker, man. Let's get it, boy.
Yeah, that's funny. Our first rodeo. Plus I got this guy. Yeah, I know where that is.
Yeah.
Insane.
I know the building like the back of my hand.
Oh my God. How long you been working here?
7 years.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Nothing crazy.
No, but the mattress, you should be able to fit that in there.
Hopefully.
Yeah. No, we'll make it work.
Definitely.
Yes.
All right.
Thank
Let
you.
me know when you're done, okay?
Okay. Yeah, we'll make it work. That mattress, look, it's small. We could put that in there from the jump. Yeah, we could fit this in there.
Yeah, I always make it work. You don't want to put on speed.
Microwave. Use that. That looks like a trunk, bro.
A what?
A trunk. Oh, 2 trunks, look. Empty, of course. Empty, yeah.
That's the game.
Ain't no way you got Nike boxes in there.
It's possible though. You know how this shit go. Shit always a gamble. shit is always a gamble, bro. A lot of this shit just, I mean, it's a gamble regardless.
It's so small that these trunks are the problem. There's not food in there. Somebody brutalized the apartment or something. Bet you that ain't in there. Take those. I know that ain't in there. I got more toilet paper. It's always clean.
So they get that's a return shit. All right, y'all, we just left the locker, man. This locker wasn't that lucrative, but with the locker stuff, you win some, you lose some. And when you're an entrepreneur, you do what? You take risks, right? So we took a risk today, man. The risk wasn't very lucrative. You know, we jumped out the plane with this one. We walked in this bitch blonde. But, you know, that's the name of the game, though, because, like I said, some risks you take, not every risk is worth taking. But, you know, you take it anyway, hoping for something big. But, you know, we're going to hustle regardless. We're going to get our money back. But just don't expect this shit to just straight off the bat, y'all making money. No, that's not realistic. And that's with anything. Stocks, investment. Straight off the bat, you're not going to make money. It takes time to acquire some revenue. But to actually build wealth, it takes even longer. So, this the stuff. Y'all see this shit, man. This locker was not a hit, bro. This shit was not a hit, bro. Keep trying to tell y'all, you lose some, you win some, my nigga. You feel me? Today we lost, but it's alright, cause we gonna always bounce back in this motherfucker. Some of this shit, a lot of this shit is trash, bro. I don't know if y'all can tell. A lot of this shit is trash, but I'm gonna get back out y'all when I'm in the car, man. You feel me? Then look, this shit had a motherfucker. Alright, man, as y'all can see, I'm back home. You feel me? I'm kind of tired, I'm kind of exhausted and shit. But we got this shit through. Here goes some of this shit right here. And with that being said, this locker is pretty much shitty. Honestly, guys, I'm gonna be real with you. This wasn't a very lucrative locker for me and my dad. However, we ran into a lot of lucrative lockers. This just wasn't one of them. When you're an entrepreneur, you take risks. Today, we made a risk. We ain't get much of a return. We made a risk that was very risky. We took the risk and we reaped the benefits, or we reaped what we sowed from the risk, right? And that's what it means to be an entrepreneur. You take risks, you go out and you do what you need to do. Some months, sometimes your income may not be, or your revenue may not be as expected. It's whatever. You get what I'm saying? And so with that being said, like I said, guys, always, you ain't have to bring that in. But whatever, it's cool. You can put it right here. But like I said, guys, with that being said, make sure y'all do your due diligence before y'all get into lockers, because it is very lucrative. But if y'all enjoyed this video, man, subscribe, like this shit, because we're going to have way more videos with these lockers, these locker runs. If y'all want more locker runs, just comment below. But we're going to have way more videos of these locker runs, you feel me? Because, bro, it is lucrative. Y'all see all this stuff in here, bro? It's all from a locker. Majority of it is from a locker. Motherfucking lockers. You hear me? Motherfucking lockers. So if you want some money, if you want some extra income, go get you a locker. I'm out this bitch, bro.